Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add animations to your Wix website. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. First of all, open a browser of your choice and search for Wix. Open the first site that comes up and simply log in with your account. After logging in, you will see this kind of interface, and here select the site you want and click on Edit Site. After opening your website, simply click on the Add Element button in the left side menu. From the menu, select the Embed tab and select Custom Element. A dialog box will start to float. This is a box where your animations will be. I'll choose a good place for it and then resize it to make it more welcoming on the site. Alright, so after placement, open up a new tab and search for Lottie files. This is a site where various animations are available and are completely free to use. After searching, open the first site that shows up and simply log in with your account. If you don't have one, then just simply create one to follow along. And after logging in, a simple homepage will appear. Here, just go to the Products tab at the top and select Free Animations. And after clicking on it, a number of animations will start to appear in front of you. Now from here, select any animation you would like to have on your site. And after selecting, click on the HTML button for further adjustments and integrations. Now you can see that its settings are available for you to adjust. Now scroll down a bit on this page towards the source code. Once you're at the code, simply copy the first half and go back to your Wix site. Now select the dialog box and click on Choose Source and just paste the link we just copied. Now remember to change the tag name to Lottie Player and close it. You can see that there's no changing to make the animation appear. Now select the attributes feature and go back to Lottie file site. And on the Lottie file site, copy the first code at the top and paste it into the attribute section. Note that the attribute names will be src, which means source, and after that, add other attributes like background and make it transparent. Add another one named speed and type in the preferred speed. Then turn on the loop and autoplay too. You can see that the animation doesn't appear. That's because the animations are only displayed to the users with paid plan. Anyways, so that's how you can add animations to your Wix website. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.